Hello, dear traders. This is a Reliance chart. I'm showing you 1 hour technical analysis of Reliance, as well as if you are interested, then also here this software, web based software, giving you buy sell signal alert, the base signal alert, not only alert in that sense pop up, but sound alert on mobile or as well as computer desktop, okay, laptop. So this 1 hour chart, see Reliance sell, and this sell. Sometimes sell buy comes very in short time. That means you have to exit at near cost. But when it gives, when you follow big till whole option, yeah, if you have a good capital, then do future. Yeah, cash only you can do, uh, holding cash, buy long cash only, short cash only, you can do intraday. For that you can follow 10 minutes time frame. You can have a short intraday, but even though I can say 10 minutes not even work for intraday, you have to follow 1 minute. It's good, give you a good, this last day, uh, 5th June, buy sell signal intraday. You can follow that 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 3 minute according to volatility. When volatility big, swing volatility, you have to follow 1 minute only. When volatility slow, you can follow 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute intraday. And for big profit, you can, if you have a capacity, yeah, panicless spread trader, then you can hold for 2 3 days, 4 days, 5 days as per signal. But I'm here topic is technical analysis. This 1 day chart, if you see this 1 day chart giving you a buy signal at near 1000, still at 1600, almost holding. This below indicator is a MACD. uh, MCD give you sometime, you can, if you have a, once you practice how to read the signal of trend of stock, best is to go with MACD. Yeah, there are many top popular indicator in the world. If you are interested, I will give you, but we charge for that, please not. We have studied many times, and we got conclusion what is the best, right? A technical analysis, how you understand, see, this, I'm giving you 10 minutes chart. 10 minutes chart, if you have noticed, this MACD sustained near zero in 29 May and June, between sustained near zero. It's quite negative kind of, but uh, despite that, once it's got up. Why? MACD below zero, but the two lines are neck to neck running. But once any side got up, and with the help of Nifty, Reliance breakout, you can see. Once breakout starts, yeah, buy signal, even if you follow, then you can go long and then follow again, and then continuously this MACD run above zero, and then see here sell signal. But this is 10-minute chart. If you follow 1 hour chart, also you can see still in buy long. 10 minutes is you can have a small targets and stop loss. How you decide stop loss? When you got buy signal, yeah, MACD according to, you have to keep in 10 minutes 1% stop loss simple, and 1 hour you can have a 2% stop loss like that. At the matlab when start by the nearest bottom of low of the stocks, that you should keep a stop loss for the this given buy signal or sell signal. So many indicator I have, but you should have many technicals like commodity channel index, yeah, multi-time MACD and momentum. It's good to study all, and average true trends like that, so many. But best is I will give you the as of now Reliance in long trend, since many 1 lakh crore direct investment from FDI and 1 lakh crore Reliance got from right issue. So there is no as of now momentum upside, world market upside despite death due to corona. Money coming in market. Market always knows this money. Market don't here to fear for the death of human losses. As well as economy open, market will remain for long only. Okay, and government, many government pouring so much money even in India, 20 lakhs crore, and maybe in coming days, coming months, there are more stimulus from the government. Okay, good luck, and I will give you daily 2 3 stocks, yeah, Nifty, Bank Nifty, technical analysis by showing charts, and as well as I will explain in this video showing technical analysis. Okay, good luck, thanks.